Good morning students. Today we will study new chapter, chapter 12, time. Then you know the time, how to show the time in VR. Today we learn the formulas of time. Formulas of time. First you write the formulas. First, 1 day is equal to 1 day is equal to how many hours? 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Then second, 1 year is equal to, first we start with here, 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Then 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Then 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. This is minute, this is second. Then 1 day is equal to 24 hours, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now for 1 year is equal to 12 months. 1 year is equal to 12 months. Then 1 year is equal to 365 days. Again 1 year is equal to 366 days in a leap year. तो bracket in a leap year. First, 1 year is equal to 365 days. 1 year is equal to 366 days in a leap year. Then 1 month is equal to 30 or 31 days. According to in your months given, that is suppose you are given January. How many days in January? 31 days. Okay. In ordinary we take, then there is no separate month is given in question. You take only 30 days. Separate month is not given in question. You take 1 month is equal to how many days? 30 days. Here 1 month is equal to 30 or oblique 31 days. Then 1 month is equal to 4 weeks. 1 month is equal to 4 weeks. 9. 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 week is equal to 7 days. Now we convert. How to convert? Days into hours, or hours into minute, or minute into second, or year into days, or year into months. Then these are we study in now. Okay. Again we will Learn the formulas. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. How many hours in a day? 24 hours. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 year is equal to 12 months. 1 year is equal to 365 days. 1 year is equal to 366 days in a leap year. Then 1 month is equal to 30/31 days. Then separate, in ordinary case we take 30 days. In separate month is given, according to their month you take the days. Okay. Then 1 month is equal to 4 weeks. 1 week is equal to 7 days. Then last 1 year is equal to 52 weeks. 1 year is equal to 52 weeks. First you learn the formulas this time. Then first we convert days into hours. First, convert days into hours. First, 5 days. Days into hours. Our question, 5 days. 1 day is equal to how many hours? 1 day is its solution. First you write 1 day is equal to, 1 day is equal to how many hours? 24 hours. Then short form we write this. Okay. Then 1 day is equal to 24 hours. We have how many days? 5 days. 5 days is equal to 24 multiply 5. Again 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Convert days into hours. Then first 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Then days into hours we multiply by 24. Days into hours we multiply by 24. How many days we have? 5 days. Therefore 24 multiply 5 is equal to 120 hours. Understand you? Then another question. 3 days 4 hours. 3 days and 4 hours. Again days into hours. What do you do? Multiply by 24. First you write solution. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Okay. Then 3 days 4 hours is equal to 3 into the 24 into 3 plus 4 hours. First you multiply 24 into 3, then plus 4 hours. Here 24 3 ja 72 plus 4 hours is equal to 76 hours. Understand you? How to convert days into hours? We multiply by 24. Understand you? then you learn the formulas today. Okay, thank you.